In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to link Xero to bank account. Connecting your bank to Xero lets your transactions flow in automatically so you can reconcile quickly and keep your books up to date with far less manual work. Before we begin, make sure you can sign into your Xero organization and that you're authorized to connect the bank account you'll be using. It also helps to know the account's currency and the date of your last reconciled transaction, so you can avoid importing duplicates later. You'll complete any security checks on your bank's own site, not inside Xero. First, go to Xero in your browser and sign in. When the dashboard loads, confirm you're in the correct organization if you manage more than one. You might see a snapshot of your bank accounts on the homepage, but to set up a new connection, we'll use the main navigation, which is consistent across accounts. From the top navigation bar, click Accounting. This opens the area where you manage your books, including reports, transactions, and most importantly for today, your bank connections. Next, select Bank Accounts. This page lists any accounts you've already added. If you're just getting started, it may be empty. Either way, this is where you'll create the secure link that brings your bank transactions into Xero automatically. You'll also come back here later to check connection status or make updates. Now click Add Bank Account, then search for and select your bank. Type the official name your bank uses online and choose the correct region if you see multiple versions. After you pick your bank, Xero will guide you through a secure process to connect. In most cases, you'll be redirected to your bank's site or app to grant read-only access for transaction feeds. Complete the prompts there, and when you're returned to Xero, finish the setup by naming the account clearly, selecting the right currency, and, if you're asked to choose a start date for importing transactions, set it to the day after your last reconciled entry to prevent duplicates. Once the connection is in place, you'll see the account listed on the bank accounts page with a connected or pending status. New transactions may appear immediately, but some banks send the first feed within a few hours. When they arrive, go to Reconcile to match them to invoices, bills, or spend money entries. If something doesn't look right, double-check that you selected the correct bank and currency and that your chosen start date didn't overlap with transactions you had already reconciled. That's it, your bank is linked to Xero. Keep an eye on the first sync and you'll be ready to reconcile with confidence.